It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So just in time, that is a production management system that aligns raw materials order from supplier to production. What is just in time? Production is based on demand. Basically is to eliminate sources of manufacturing waste by getting right quantity of raw materials, producing the right quantity of products, in the right place and at the right time. Okay, this is the basic idea of just-in-time, guys. From supplier to production to sales or to customers. Nice idea when you don't have enough space. It is simplified, so it reduces lead time. So when we say lead time, that is the amount of time it takes from the moment a customer places the order to the moment the product is out to delivery. Okay, so let's go to its principle: total quality management, focus on quality, and of course its production management, as I've been illustrating in the previous slide, from supplier, production to customer. Okay, and for supplier management, Toyota communicates their demand for parts 20 days in advance to their supplier, and they communicate problem to supplier in a very positive manner. Okay, and for their inventory, this production system really hates inventory. For them, inventory is a waste and inventory is evil. Okay, so human resource management empower their people. Okay, so this is the continuous flow of production, okay, as shown here in the traditional flow from supplier to production to warehouse and to customer. Okay, just in time, from suppliers, production to customers. Just in time comparison with the traditional production system. Inventory is large in the traditional because we produce products and then store it in the warehouse and wait for sales. Okay, and for inventory is really an evil. Lot batch sizes large and GIT small. Setup time long and GIT short setup time. For lead time, in traditional that is longer. Okay? And in GIT that is shorter. Mas mabilis matapos. Alright, so flexibility is low in the traditional, and here in the GIT it has to be high. Okay, you have to meet the sudden change of demand by your customer. Okay, traditional, they are using the push system. So when we say push system, the products are made for inventory. GIT, they are using pull system that is made to order. In time hits waste. Okay, so for them, these factors are merely a waste. Overdoing our production so much. Let's say, for example, you are producing 20 cars and then you have only one buyer. So the 19 cars will be left on your warehouse. Okay, and the cost of which is really a waste. Okay, the transportation or unnecessary transport is a waste. Inventory is a waste. Waiting is a waste, and the processing, the non-essentials or non-necessary processing is a waste. Errors and mistakes is also a waste. And then the motion, the unnecessary movement of products in the warehouse, that is a waste. And internet, when you do not empower your people, when you do not utilize the skills and talents of your people. How GIT accomplish its production? From the moment the customer orders, okay, this is a product order, the Kanban card is made. Kanban card, guys, contains all the specifications, all the details, all the needed parts of the ordered product. Then after that, the Kanban will be sent to the factory for production. Okay, and after that, when the workers at the production lines receive the Kanban card, they will then proceed to produce the card based on the details on the Kanban card. Alright? And after that, the final tested product will then be prepared and shipped. And cars are shipped directly and not stored in a warehouse. This is the flow of their production. Alright, so what is Kanban? So this is a Kanban, visual card, or also known as signboard. Okay, so from order, the product carries the Kanban to assembly to processing. Okay, and Kanban carries all the necessary information for production, and it connects information flow with material flow since it is attached to the actual items. Many companies has been using the styles and the system of GIT, like the McDonald's. They do not cook their burgers unless customer is ready to buy. We have also to be very flexible for the sudden change of demand and the quality. Okay, every business wants quality. Okay, simplified process. Okay, and also employee involvement. All right. So thank you very much for watching. This has been Churchy. God bless and keep safe, everyone. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.